I thought there was a lot of cheese on the cheesy pub chicken sandwich, but you clearly went all out here.
There's places in here where there isn't cheese right now.
I know. I'd like to keep it that way.
Cheese it up with the cheesy pub chicken sandwich. This is how you Sonic.
What are you gonna do tonight?
Welcome up, coach.
No, what are you gonna do? We'll dominate, right?
Control the game. Hey, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Talk to about them throwing the ball in this series. You're gonna see a pass on first or second down.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! You like that one, don't you? Are we running slate?
Yeah. Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just playing to the end.